What you doing?
Hey, welcome back to Poison and Ivy, and if it's your first time, welcome for your first time, because we're kind of new, right?
Hi.
Hey, it's time to clean the charger today. This color hides a lot, smoke show, right? But
Can you even really tell it's dirty?
it is, I promise. It's
But it
dusty,
is.
It's dirty, and anyways. So hey, we want to show you this car has a ceramic spray coating on it, graphene ceramic spray coating if you want to be technical. We're using the Adams on this one. There's a lot of other options available. This works great. I'm going to show you what it does, guys. Check this out. Remember, this is a spray ceramic coating, so
Makes the water behave all
watch this. Yeah, it just beads up and runs right off. Watch, I'll do the full hood here. You get that nice beading action. Check that out. It just wants to come right off. No friction on there.
Right.
All right, and another thing, guys. Ceramic coat your wheels. Spray ceramic coat, whatever you want. Because you guys see that nasty brake dust. We talked about that in the last video. Watch this. Look, ew.
Ew. Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
You see, it comes right off. With just a rinse. And you got the good beading on the wheels. Now, you're still going to have to wash these things. It's not going to get it all off there, but it gets most of it off. We maintain it with a ceramic shampoo. That's what we're using today. Ethos is obviously this brand that I like to use. And what else do we like? When we're all done, we give it a little graphene detail spray wipe down, just to keep it maintained.
You like that word graphene?
Yep.
You use use a lot of products with the word graphene.
Oh, there's tire dressing. Oh, it has graphene tire dressing as well.
Now, while you're doing that, you're not new to detailing, right?
Oh, no. If you want more detailing information, like in-depth detail, like more than what I just showed you there, obviously, check out Pure Octane Garage. It's my other YouTube channel I do with my friend. Check that out. We actually, test products and that kind of stuff. So check it out if you want.
If you want more Brandon videos, that's where you go.
If you like me.
Let's see if the bee likes to get wet. He doesn't seem to mind.
Shelly, check this out. And viewers, check this out. This is obviously, we didn't have a wide body before. Look at how the brake dust catches on there.
Oh, whoa, weird.
So all that's spitting out from the front wheels.
Oh, fun.
See, it's dirty, told you.
He picks to wash his car when my car's looking like this.
We got 8 wash mitts.
Holy cow. Yeah, this is the first time you've done this.
Yeah, this is a new thing I'm trying.
Whoa.
Instead of having to dip back into the rinse bucket,
Okay.
we're just gonna have a mitt for each area of the vehicle. So basically what this is doing is preventing me from taking this mitt, washing the panel, rinsing it, which you can do, and going back. I'm just gonna use it, throw it, and then rinse. And leave it, and go to another one, and go to another one. So I got 8 defined areas I kind of decided on the car to work for.
Okay, what do they charge for those mitts?
These?
Yeah.
They're like $13 a piece.
Why are they the good mitts?
Because they're microfiber and they don't scratch.
Okay. We don't like to scratch our pretty cars. What'd you forget?
Clean your tips.
It's good life advice, really.
Inside and out. Alright, I'm going to show you that final rinse here that we do to get all those. Look at this. Remember I was saying you can dry with water? Look at that difference. So it just slides off. There's not going to be that much you have to take off. Dry, I should say.
Why a cheapskate and buy the short hose?
Don't know. Because it usually hooks up to the pressure washer, which has a long hose.
Oh.
We're not using the pressure washer today.
It's pretty.
Or the meeting. Another quick tip. Don't leave your key in the pocket because it turns the headlights on every time the water hits the handle. Hey, now we gotta dry the charger, right? So good waffle weave microfiber. This is also a microfiber drying plush towel. Keep those on you. But we got a fun toy here that aids in that whole process. Check this out. It's an air cannon. There's many different models and makes of these. Of course, you see a trend to buy things from Adams Polishes.
Yeah, you're not even sponsored by Adams Polishes, but you tend to buy all their stuff.
They make good stuff.
They're a good company.
Good stuff, support small business.
Exactly.
Anyways, I'm going to show you how this works. This is where that water sheeting off and coming off comes in handy, you can use one of these. If the car's all that water sitting on it, these don't work so well. If there's just water flat hanging onto your surface. So here we go. Watch the hose. So it also warms the air, and there's a filter on it, which is important. Some people use a leaf blower. Not a fan of that because it's not filtered air and it picks up particles and spits them at your car.
That's not a good idea.
Hey, whatever you like to do. One of the best reasons though, what about all the water that sits here? Watch this. One tip. If you leave your towels nearby and you use that blower, it'll blow your towels on the ground and they're ruined. Don't do that. What about this thing? There's brakes.
It's not like boats?
So now it won't. Boats don't have brakes, Captain.
You got my joke.
But air cannons do.
Okay, what do we got now?
All right, so you've dried the vehicle, right? You might still have some small water spots here and there, and just use yourself some detail spray or something. Give it a little pop of gloss, and it wipes away those water spots. So watch. That's simple. Spray on, get yourself a nice plush microfiber, and you wipe off. Flip it over, give it a final wipe. There you go. Add some protection slash, well, it depends on what you use. This adds a little protection. Some do, some don't. And it smells like lemon
And it smells
lime.
good. I was just gonna say it smells like margaritas.
And then you can always do the feel.
That's always the best
Very
part.
slick. All right, guys. Much needed bath given to the Charger.
Car's
See?
clean.
Does it look better, or does it look the same? It's better, I promise.
From
It's
this
color.
vantage
It's
point,
the color.
it looks the same.
Okay.
But when you get close, it's a big difference.
But anyways, all right. Let's wrap it up. Say thanks, Shelly.
Thanks, Shelly.
Thanks, Shelly, for watching
Hey.
and recording me.
You're welcome anytime.
Okay, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hey, let us know how you like to detail your vehicles. You know what I mean? Like, tell us what you use, your methods, because I'm always willing and open to learn new things. Like you saw the 8 wash mitts. That's new. I learned that from Scott from Dallas Paint Correction. I watched an old video of his, and he did that. And he's like, that way, you're not dipping back in. You can go quicker. It does go quicker.
It went really quick.
So now I got to wash all 8 of those, but hey, that's for another time.
Yeah, I
anyways,
like that. Give us any ideas that you guys have or things you like to do.
Yeah. So if you like to take it to somebody, that's cool too. Make sure they do a good job. Don't scratch your paint. All right. Like, subscribe, notification bell. Do that stuff for us. It helps us out. And got some plans for the video now that it's clean. New videos now that it's clean, right?
We got some stuff sitting on the shelf over there, ready to go.
Yes.
On.
There's something in the trunk too.
Something in the trunk.
Yeah. You know what it is, but you don't know what it is.
I look very concerned, but you can't
It's
see my
not a
face
body.
right now.
All right. Later, guys.
Bye.